Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to use the Milestones app in Microsoft Teams. From the channel of the team that you want to add the Milestones app, click on the Add a Tab button. Enter the word Milestones in the search field and click on the Milestones app icon. If you do not see the Milestones app listed, it may be because your Microsoft administrator has restricted which apps are available in the Microsoft Teams App Store. If you do not see the app listed, you should contact your administrator and request that the app be enabled. Note that the app is free to use for the most customers who have Microsoft 365 Enterprise licenses, including Microsoft 365, E1, E3, E5, and etc. Click on the Add option. Stay on the top of your work with efficient tracking, team status, and activity log plan. Track and prioritize the team's work capacity across projects in a central place. See team status and work item updates to become aware of how's the work going today. React with any needed actions. Easily manage several projects in the app to avoid switching platforms. The app can be easily extended with Microsoft Power Platform to meet your organization's need. Click Save to install the Milestones app. A progress bar will be displayed that outlines the status of the Milestones app installation process. This process could take up to 5 or 10 minutes to complete. Also note that I have a few scenarios where this process froze, requiring me to close out of Microsoft Teams altogether and restart. You will be prompted to grant the Milestones app permission to access Office in 365 users. This permission allows the app to view other users in your 365 environment so that you can assign work items to other users. Review the permissions and then click Allow. Once the installation is complete, the Milestones app user interface will be displayed. It will also feature a project record called System Deployment, which includes milestones and work items. This is a test project for the purpose of displaying how the app works. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.